Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can show or hide notification on specific targeted UTM campaigns. It's really simple. Go to notifications, choose the notification you want to target based on the UTM source and click on edit. Now navigate to display and in segmentation you will see this option UTM based display. Turn it on and you will have an option to select conditions. Here we have two conditions, contains and exclude. You can add your UTM source in this text box. Let's say if you are running a PPC ad campaign and you are passing the UTM source ads PPC and you want to display notification to these visitors only who visit your site from this campaign. What you can do is select contains and enter the part of the URL succeeded by a question mark. Once you have filled this, click on add and this condition will be added. Similarly, if you want to exclude notification using the UTM source, you can select the exclude condition and paste the URL. Here you can add multiple conditions based on the UTM source and target your audience during marketing campaigns. So yeah, that's it. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or reach us at support@wisernotify.com.